Innovation to me never is only technological. It's always social. I mean, in order to get something done, something new, it requires people, and they have to buy in the idea, they have to change their behaviors. And it definitely is not only in the startups, it's definitely not in the private sector corporations as well, which seems to be sometimes the thinking here, in particular here in Silicon Valley. But it should be very much in the government, in the ministries, in the agencies, everywhere in society. I think it all starts from a vision. I mean, that's what most countries are currently short of. They are just repeating what they have been doing for decades. I mean, they're kind of, in a way, prisoners of the old-time industrial model. They're trying to increase efficiencies in the old structures. There's less and less value add, and that's why societies need, in a way, to redefine their almost reason to exist in this global world. In Finland, we hope to be able to demonstrate as a small, well-educated, collaborative country with high values in equality. So we could create the role model for the next generation welfare state, and that we call sustainable well-being state. We have been trying to propose, and pretty successfully, a new vision for Finland, which would then kind of direct the activities of different stakeholders in a way to kind of get critical mass. We believe that as a small country, Finland could be the forerunner of something what we call sustainable well-being. And sustainable well-being being that everything is, first of all, human-centric. I mean, the technologies allow us to build everything around a human. You have economic, ecological, and social sustainability combined in everything you do all the time. So we have to detach economic growth from the consumptions of natural resources. That's what I call sustainability. So many people still here in this country and Europe feel that ecology is and the green movement is a constraint to business. I'm saying that it's the biggest opportunity, business opportunity for the humankind, and there's a huge opportunity for innovation, for new services, ICT-based services to in a way create more value without consuming natural resources. So that's kind of a driver in our vision for economic growth, that all that we do in Finland is based on ICT and services rather than using natural resources, misusing natural resources. The same applies also to social sustainability. For instance, this polarization that we are talking about here, how do we make sure that inequality does not grow anymore? We have to define what we want to be as a country, and all the goals, I mean, for all the different sectors can be derived from this simple vision, forerunner in sustainable well-being, and then defining what sustainable well-being means. Then you can derive all the goals to different ministries, all to the businesses and because it's also good for the global businesses in Finland, because the solutions, if we're able to build the kind of reference solutions in Finland for new type of preventive well-being in healthcare or in circular economy, those solutions will attract investments in Finland, and they will also benefit the Finnish companies to export these solutions to other countries, because these solutions will be desperately needed in all countries. And all the leaders of the key parties have bought into this vision. They have strategic government programs for the next term, and they are more or less all with different wordings, because they are, of course, having different emphasis in their kind of party lines, but they have bought into this bigger vision.